PCSuite.com is an e-commerce services provider that was founded in 2002. We currently have around 340 employees, and we work to bring to market an entire package of e-commerce solutions, from digital media to content delivery, payment processing, and forward through other verticals. Well, as an e-commerce services provider, we have a client reach that is worldwide, and we focus on trying to protect our clients' data across thousands of websites, millions of page hits per day, and it's a tough challenge that most companies face in our market today. Some of the challenges that we face on a daily basis range from your normal Trojan downloaders, spyware, malware, to information leakage, whether intentional or unintentional. We really try to focus on protecting all of our data in the most holistic approach as possible. Well, as a level 1 IPSP, we have to focus on our compliance on a daily basis. We are audited once a year by a third-party vendor for Visa PCI, and it's a challenge that we have faced over time, and we continue to face on a daily basis. So it becomes a very real part of our business and a real part of our daily lives here. So we chose the Lumension Security suite of products. First, their data protection product, which allows us to control our endpoints and the devices that are plugged into those endpoints, which is very important to combat information theft of any type, whether it's intentional or unintentional. The Lumension Security Endpoint Protection solution allows us to protect ourselves against zero-day threats. When in a traditional antivirus scheme, when a virus comes out into the world, the blacklist approach is not going to have any way to detect these zero-day threats. A whitelisting approach to execution allows us to maintain a stronger protection mechanism on our systems and really combat those zero-day threats. We employ these products from Lumension Security as an effective measure to protect against zero-day threats. What's better than that is actually eliminating the vulnerabilities. So we've chosen the Lumension Patch Link and Lumension Scan products to ensure that we can identify and remediate these vulnerabilities as they exist in our environment. And we utilize the endpoint protection and data protection to really protect us as a gap measure in the meantime. The Lumension Security suite as a whole helps us meet our PCI compliance by meeting not only our patching requirements, but our requirements for an antivirus to be deployed on our systems, our requirements for controlling our information, various different requirements that are in the PCI DSS. And from there, we have seen some interesting results. Well, in my opinion, we had an almost immediate return on investment with all of the products that we purchased from Lumension Security. They literally are covering points of our information security program that we were previously not covering adequately. Previous to the Lumension Security suite of products, we used, like most organizations, just a traditional antivirus blacklisting approach. And in my opinion, it protected us to some degree. Now that we have the more zero-day whitelisting approach to our endpoint protection, we really have a 90% plus coverage of all the different types of attacks and the different types of viruses. And we've actually seen this in our own world. As an added benefit to the Lumension Security suite of products, it has allowed us to take the traditional antivirus model and flip it on its head. It has provided us with a proactive and preventative solution to combat malware and spyware in our environment. It also helps protect us against the installation of unwanted software and the connection of unauthorized devices.